How to use EasyBib, EasyBib.com. Okay, today we're going to go to EasyBib. So in the address bar, type in EasyBib.com. Now, when you sign up for EasyBib, we're going to use this sign in with Office 365. So click on that. You don't have to put all this information here. I did, but you don't need to. So we're going to just click on here and click on, well, you're just going to click on there. When you do that, you're going to have to log in like you usually do with your email address and your usual password. Click sign in, and then it will come up like this. You're not going to start a new project right now. You're going to come up here to where it says hi and whatever it says up here. Mine has my name. I don't know what yours will have. But you're going to come up here and you're going to click on this drop down menu, and you're going to find something that says coupon something or other. Let's see what it says. It says coupon codes. So we're going to enter a coupon code. So click on that, and right in here where it says redeem a code, a coupon, you're going to type in League City Enter. All one word, no caps, League City Enter, and then say apply. Okay, once you've gone there, then you can start your new projects. Okay, once you started your new project, you need to name it. I'm going to call it Kite Bow Research. And I will choose English. And I will say I'm writing about my strengths and struggles. Now here it says MLA formatting. You want to leave that alone. MLA, you want to leave that alone. And then you want to create. Okay. Then you're going to click on bibliography right here. And you're going to paste in the address from the website, because the first one we're going to do is a website citation. So we copy this address, and we paste it right here where it says website, and we say cite it, and it will give you some information, but a lot of times it won't give you all the information you need. As you can see here, we're missing the electronically published and the author. So what we want to do now is we want to go try to find that information that they didn't give you. So I'm going to go into the website and see if I can find when it was published and who was the author. So I couldn't really find out who was the author, but I did find a date, which was 2015. So I'm going to come down to where it says date, and I'm going to put the year, at least a year, which is 2015. And now I have my citation for my website. Okay, the next one that we're going to do, we have that citation. So the next one we're going to do is our picture citation, and that's pretty much the same thing since it's also a web address. So I'm going to go back into my document, and I'm going to find that web address for my picture. It's right here. I'm going to copy that one. I'm going to paste it into the blank. I'm still on, it still says website. So I'm going to paste that in. And then I'm going to click the Cite It button and see what information I get. And I'm missing the publisher and the electronically published and the author. So I'm going to go back to that website, and I'll look for the information that I'm missing. So when I go to that website, I scroll down, and I actually do find the name of the author of this article. His name is Michael Brody. It's right here. So I'm going to go back to EasyBib, and I'm going to type that in. Before I do that, I have to say continue. And I'm going to type in his first name, Michael, and then his last name, Brody. Then I'm going to go back to that website and try to find some more information. If I come up here, you can see that it says Brody Fitness and Health. So I will put that in the blank that says publisher and sponsor. And right here, I want to show you what I did right there. Right here, it says display URL. This says yes or no. I'd like for you to have the URL displayed, so make sure you click yes in that button right there. Now I'm going to go back and see if I can find a date. And sometimes it's hard to find information when you're citing a website, but this one right here says copyright 2009-2010. So I'm going to use that for the date for the year. So I'm going to paste that right, type that in right here. And I'm going to be finished, and I'm going to have the citation for my picture. So that's 2 down, 2 to go. The next one we're going to do is our CCISD resource, and this one's really easy because CCISD resource gives you they give you the citation already. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this all 59 options, click on this button down here, and then you're going to go down to the other where it says write or paste a citation, and you're going to click on that right there. And then you'll just paste that citation right there. You copied it, you just paste it here, go down to the bottom where it says create citation, click on that button, and you have your citation. So now that's your a CCISD resource citation. Okay, the last one we're going to do is a book. So I'm going to type the name of the book that I'm going to use. And then I'll click on Cite It. And it's going to actually come up with 2 books by the same title. One was printed in 2005 and one was printed in 2008. So I'll go over to my notes to see when the one I used was printed, and it says 2005. So I will go back and pick the one that says 2005 so that I know that I'm citing the right thing. And then it will create my citation for me. I say create citation, and now I have all 4 of my citations created. I'm going to click on this export button, and we're going to print as a Word doc, and then we're going to download it as Microsoft Word. Make sure you click on that orange button, Microsoft Word, and then it's going to actually create your citation page, and it's going to be correctly formatted. If you notice here that all of the names are alphabetical, it's double spaced, you have a hanging indent, so all of the criteria that you need, if you use EasyBib, it will do it for you. The only thing that it hasn't done, 2 things, it hadn't put your title in, so what I want you to do is go up here to View, go to Header and Footer, and put your first and last name, put your date, and of course put your class code, because that's always important. Alright, then of course the next thing you want to do is you want to save it. Make sure you save it in your H drive. So you can see right here it's going to be saved into my downloads folder. I don't want it in my downloads folder, so I'm going to come down here where it says R template, and you can see that says my H drive. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to rename it. Make sure you always name things something that you will know what to look for later. Since this is our Kitebo project, I'm going to call it Kitebo Citation Page, and I'm going to save it, and then I'll print it. Now I want you to notice some things. The first off, when you use EasyBib, it's going to give you your 1-inch margin. It's going to automatically double space your entire page. It's going to give you the hanging indents that are required. It's going to title your page Works Cited. And it also puts it in alphabetical order. The only thing that you really have to do after you've put your heading on is give it another title. So I'm titling mine Kitebo Research. Kitebo Research Project. And with that, you are all done doing your citations.